If you're experiencing crashing issues while playing Baldur's Gate 3, there are several steps you can take to troubleshoot and resolve the problem. Follow this guide to improve your gaming experience. Step 1. Check system requirements. Ensure that your computer meets the minimum system requirements for Baldur's Gate 3. Check your CPU, GPU, RAM, and storage space to confirm they align with the game's specifications. Step 2. Update drivers. Make sure your graphics card drivers are up to date. Visit the manufacturer's website NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel to download and install the latest drivers, as outdated drivers can lead to performance issues and crashes. Step 3. Verify game files. If you're playing through a platform like Steam, use the built-in feature to verify the integrity of the game files. This process will check for any corrupted or missing files and replace them automatically. Step 4. Adjust graphics settings. Lower the graphics settings in the game to see if that resolves the crashing issue. Reducing settings such as resolution, texture quality, and shadows can help improve stability, especially on lower-end systems. Step 5. Disable background applications. Close any unnecessary background applications while playing the game. Programs that consume a lot of resources, such as web browsers or streaming software, can interfere with game performance and lead to crashes. By following these steps, you should be able to reduce or eliminate crashing issues in Baldur's Gate 3. Enjoy your gaming experience.